Hi, I am Trisha, Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. We can see about the command line argument. Command line argument, it is a argument passed to the program at the time of execution from operating system. It means one argument which are passed to the main function from operating system. There are two type of argument. One is argc and another one is pointer argb. This is a syntax of command line argument. Int argc char space pointer argb. Argc means argument count, argb means argument vector or array. Argument count means number of argument passed to the main function from the operating system. Argument v means it is a pointer array of character which consists of the value of the argument. It means the size of the array depend on the number of argument. Or v0 is a file name of the program. What we save the program name, that is argv0. Argv1 means value of the first argument. Argv2 means value of second argument. 3, 4 to n. Command line argument. Argument means input value. Command line argument na CUI character or command user interface. DOS means operating system. In Windows CUI GUI have to GUI means graphical user interface. You know that end user. CUI na easily command write compile in blue screen, that is a programmer. We can see example. Hash include stdio.h int main. This is a syntax. Int argc char space pointer argv array, size of the array. Argc means argument count, so integer. Percentage d is used. This is array, so use percentage s string. Example, I can give number 1 to 5. Argument c is argument 0 equal to file name. Argument 1 is I can give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Totally 6. Argument count equal to 6. Argument vector. Here argv0, it is a file name. So argument vector equal to file name. What we save, that is. I can show output. Argument count equal to 6. I told I give file number and also file name also included. File name what we save, that is 1 argument arg0 and also 5 argument. Totally 6 argument count. Argument vector file name. I can execute it. This is a first example program. We can type it and compile. 0 error. We can run it. And in run have a argument. Argument value you can give 1 space 2 space 3 space 4 space 5. I give 5 argument. Okay, and run it. Argument count equal to 6. I give file number and also file name included. So argument count equal to 6. Argument vector, what we save the file name. I can save mm.execute, that is file name. And we can see another example. For loop int main, this is a syntax, int argc char space pointer argv size of array, int ia declaration பண்ணிக்கிறோம். printf argument count, count is a integer, so percentage d, argv is a array, so use string. Okay, program name argv0. okay wow. For loop I equal to 0, I less than argc, I give 5 number, I is less than 5, I is 0, 0 is less than 5, increment operator true. So argument id, percentage d, this is integer, 1 is printed. This is percentage s because size of the array, so we use percentage s, percentage s, so argv I to give 5 வரைக்கும். And have a output, this is I give 5 number, 1 to 5, totally argument count 6. Program name, what we save the program, that will be, it can be explained. Argument 0 is file name, argument 1 I give 1, argument 2 is 2, argument 3 is 3, argument 4 is 4, argument 5 is 5. This is output. And another one example you can see, calculate the sum, same method, sum equal to 0, number of argument of percentage d percentage s, loop I equal to 0, I is less than argc, I give value 10, 0 is less than 10, true, increment operator, give a value 1 2 3 4 5 6 to 10. Number of sum of argument are totally 11. File name and 10 numbers, so number of argument are 11. We can calculate the sum of number, I equal to 0, I is less than argc, I increment operator, this is important, sum equal to sum plus a to I, argv I, a to I means we can convert character to integer, so we use argv I. And we finally calculate the sum. Output is number of argument, totally 11 argument, I give 10 numbers and also file name, totally 11. File name is what we save. If calculate the sum, we can add the all numbers, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 6 plus 7 8, 45, 45 plus 9, 45 plus 10 55, totally 55 numbers. Calculate sum is 55. Thank you for watching video.